Listen up, you Lindas. I got something in the mail. Got this yesterday, but I was playing pool last night, so I didn't open it to see what it is. So, let's see. I know Sheri Morgan said that she had something that was coming in the mail today. So let's see if we can get this bad boy open. Hang on. Okay. No looking. Let's see if she said that sometimes she forgets to do the little card. Or the who it's, okay. So there's no thing inside. But we know it's from Sheri because she told me she sent something. All right. I'm going to close your eyes. I'm going to pull it out of the bag. I'm going to set the bag aside. All right. So I'm going to hold it behind my back. Are you peeking? Better quit that peeking. Baxter's peeking. Look, he's like, what she got, Mom? What she got, Mom? Is that something I need to know about? No, it ain't something he needs to know about. All right. Anyway. So, all right. Close your eyes on the count of 3. I'm going to bring it low in front of me, and we're going to look at it together. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Almond and coconut cream. Shut up. Oh, yeah, I guess I should tell you all what it is. It's Nut Pods, almond and coconut creamer, pumpkin spice. You did this because you knew that I was complaining. I was looking to see about I was complaining about how much I put in because it makes so... Girl, a 3-pack. I hope they didn't have to be refrigerated. You did this because you knew that the calories... Sheri. Hang on, Callie. She's become a diva and doesn't want to come through the dog door. She wants me to send her a written invitation. Callie. Well, she's going to have to suffer. It says 0 sugar per serving, ka-chow, and almond and coconut creamer. I do love almond milk and coconut milk. Limited edition, unsweetened, and dairy-free. So yeah, 10. Whoa, wait a minute now. Hold her, Newt. It says 0 total carbs. 0 total carbs. That's like the other creamers that I get that are unsweetened from the store. There ain't 0 carbs in those. There's like 2 to 3. Okay, listen. I'm going to get my coffee pot going because I need some coffee in my life. Oh, Sheri. Hold on. Oh. Sheri. Who was that? Something Perry. I can't remember who he's with. But the singer was something Perry. Steve Perry? Oh, girl. Okay, anyway, we're going to try it. Hang on. Okay, so Alexa did say it is Steve Perry, but it says at that time he was still a member of Journey. I didn't remember who he was with. I just thought he was a heartthrob. So anyway, I got my kettle going and I'm going to get my coffee going. I'm excited because you all know I had to take my pumpkin creamer to work, which is gone, by the way. Everybody liked it. So now I can keep this one here. I can keep this here. It's a 3-pack. And I'm going to see. Let me read on here. Okay. I want to know, do I have to refrigerate it? I'm looking. Y'all know I got to pull my glasses up. Shake well, fresh for 7 to 10 days. Refrigerate after opening, do not freeze. Bada boom, bada bang. So these, you know what? I'm thinking, I'm always thinking ahead. Now, this ain't gonna last it, but the next family trip or the next work trip, taking one of these along, and then when I leave, it'll be gone. So I won't have to pack it back. Sheri, you just don't know how you changed my life. Okay, anyway, let me Hold your horses. I'll be right back. Oh, Sheri, all alone. Hold on. Okay, I got my hot coffee in here. I really like instant. I know that's not everybody does that, but I just like the convenience of instant. So I use my my kettle, heat up my water, and then I put in my, oh, this is the kind that opens itself. Shut up. Oh, I hate whenever I have to like pull something off, you know? All right, so we're gonna try it. All right. So let me put this on here. Oh, Sheri, all alone. Now I'm gonna be singing this song all stinking day. So if you watch my Saturday video, you'll know. Oh, Sheri, Sheri, Sheri. Oh, I guess y'all want to see a little more than just my britches. All right, let's see. Man, and I still have my fall decorations up. So today is gonna feel like such fall vibes. And there's leaves out everywhere. It's kind of that dreary. Where I live, like the tail end of fall, like the middle of tail end of fall, we get a lot of rain, and that's what brings all, which maybe that's everywhere, but we get rain like at the tail end of fall, and so all the beautiful leaves that are in the trees, they just come down from the rain, and so there's like fall leaves everywhere. This is gonna be, when I smell this, I think of that, on YouTube, they have a thing where you can listen to jazz music and there's a crackling fire in the background. You can have it fallish. I'm trying to stall a little bit because it's going to burn my mouth, so hold on. Sheri Morgan. It's hotter than diddly, but Sheri Morgan. And I'm too lazy to walk over and get an ice cube. That is the perfect amount. Sometimes things are too pumpkin-y or too spicy. That is. Girl, you have just changed my life. You've just changed future Terry's life. I'm telling you what, yes ma'am. I'm gonna get some of these on Amazon and like closer to one of my work trips. Oh, my stars and garters. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'll hold it up here for the thumbnail. Oh wait, let me do it this way. Yeah, buddy. Thank you. Here, let me back up so you can see my full head. Thank you, Sheri Morgan. I appreciate this. It really is good. I'm going to take another swig. Hold your horses. Girl, I forgot to show you. Here's in this album of gratitude. And there it is. Pumpkin spice nut pies. Sheri Morgan. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Sheri.